igorwa na boigo aborokigwa guchakwera na uchasu cukuru nigo ikiombe kia NTSA kenyera kobage kwene kebunani go guchaka oboringori gose omusako wokurigirira chigali na mono chirigo chiko gote chiye cukuru chikwemuki abana be cukuru gosigokora emirobiri ye cukuru asichinjera okwana litukulia lero nigo omuteneli bwa NTSA asarongorwa South Nyanza nago akwene kebuna kine gitambukereka mukia bagyo kwene kebuna imibasukane yungo kyane gwere.
There has been a spark in terms of fatalities and increase in number of Kenyans that we have lost on the road. And we want to have a proactive way of approaching this. And through the lead agency, NTSA as the lead agency of Matters Road Safety, we are having a free motor vehicle inspection clinic tomorrow, Friday the 22nd of August 2025 at Cardinal Rutunga High School, Musocho. We want to encourage all the school transport vehicle owners, vans, buses, to come in the large numbers